Hi, welcome to my channel. This is something that I've been thinking about for a while now, but I'm finally going to make this channel to show off my projects. Even longer before I was even thinking about making this channel, I had a dream. I wanted to make a robot. More specifically, a humanoid robot. The human body has always been fascinating to me, because to me the body is not just some blob of flesh and bones, it's like a perfectly engineered prototype. I've also been interested in math and technology throughout my life, and even though we almost always are skeptical or afraid of new technology, I think that most technology is actually for the good. So, with this background, I had a dream. I wanted to create perfection. Now that is an ambitious goal, you might say. But in my point of view, I think that if you're not striving for perfection, then you don't really care enough. Now, that doesn't mean you actually have to reach perfection. It just means that you know what you want. Because if you don't know what you wanted, then you wouldn't even know what perfection really is. Anyways, enough of that. So, when this dream came to me one day when I was doing nothing, I was lost in life, and I didn't know at all what I wanted to do. I think my best goal was to make money or live in a big house or something. Which I mean are pretty good goals, I guess, but I had no idea how I would get there. Now, I'm a person that almost always goes for what I want before what is logical. But that often forces me to become logical to get what I want. So I ask myself, what do I want? And I just started drawing. To be clear, I'm not an engineer on paper in any way, so the only formal knowledge I had was a little bit of CAD knowledge from school and some programming knowledge, but that was it. But I knew how to draw a simple hand. It wasn't 3D, heck, it wasn't even with curvy lines. But me trying to understand how to make it made me more excited than I had ever been in my whole life. I was thinking almost every night about how I could improve it, and with time, a lot of time, I came closer and closer to what I wanted. I started my prototypes by using printed plastic parts that could move by using clippers as joints and fishing lines as sinews. And through many prototypes managed to create this. Now, this is still far from perfection, but it is something that now proved to me that dreams can actually become reality. I worked on this project back and forth, and now I'm working on the head of my humanoid robot. There are many interesting details that I'm not gonna talk about in this video, but I'm planning that the future of this channel will be rich in details and explanations. I don't yet know if I should focus on the more technical parts, or making videos for a more broad audience with more entertaining content. Let me know in the comments what you would personally want more of. But for now, I will be updating you people on more interesting robotic and engineering knowledge. See ya!